Hello and welcome to this week's Training Tuesday. I'm Andy Gregory and we're here to look a little bit more in depth at the flue diffused terminal. As a heating engineer, we sometimes come across difficult fluing situations. Problems can occur when a boiler has to try and deal with different pressure zones. In our accessories range, we have a solution for balancing different pressure zones. It's our diffuse terminal. The flue diffuse terminal is designed to balance different pressure zones. We may have one pressure zone serving the boiler with air intake, and we may have a second pressure zone exhausting the products of combustion. The diffuse terminal will balance the two zones. An example we may come across is fluing through a carport. The air intake will be from one pressure zone and the exhaust into a second zone. The diffuse terminal balances these zones. The combustion will enter via the plume displacement kit. It will be forced against the internal pressure cone, and then the products of combustion will come out over 360 degrees. And this in itself, the restriction caused, will balance that zone against the air intake. As we can see, a carport is a typical situation where different pressure zones are introduced. The air intake is taken from below the carport roof in one pressure zone, and we exhaust via the plume displacement kit into the pressure zone above the carport roof. These different pressure zones create imbalance for the boiler on the other side of the house wall. This imbalance can cause ignition errors and boiler noise. The diffuse terminal is designed to balance the two pressure zones off, putting the boiler back in a nice balanced situation. I hope today's Training Tuesday has given you a brief insight into the flue diffuse terminal and its advantages. For more information, contact your local area sales manager or visit baxi.co.uk/training.